Hi everybody, and I am super excited to be here right now, and I am actually inside the National Bowling Center in Reno, Nevada, and this is actually the US Open Championships that are happening right now behind me, and this is actually called the Taj Mahal of 10 pins, which is pretty awesome. And I actually was not aware, but there's that little red thing back behind me. That's like a bowling Zamboni. I've never freaking seen a bowling Zamboni before, so I'm really kind of excited about this. This place is huge, oh my gosh. And the bowlers here are of course freaking amazing. Of course I don't know a lot about bowling, but it's really amazing what they're doing. So if you have a chance, come down and see it. Look at the Zamboni going back there. Oh my gosh, it's so cool actually. That's like the most cool thing ever, is the bowling Zamboni. I don't know what it's called, but I'm calling it the bowling Zamboni. So yeah, this is awesome down here. So if you get a chance, come check it out.